look at Circus Act, which is number 21 in this book. And we're going to look at the left hand at the start. Okay, so this is in F major. So I've cancelled my E flats and A flats all along the harp. So E and A levers are up if you are on a lever harp tuned in E flat. But I've kept my B levers down because I want to keep my B flats. Okay, so the left hand has an cha cha feel to it. What I'd like you to do is put your third finger on the F below middle C. So this is the left hand. Just move the screen so you might be able to see it a bit better. There we go. Miss a string, second finger on the A string, miss a string, and thumb goes on C. And what you're going to do, you're going to play the third finger, and then you play 1 and 2 as a chord, and then you go back on and play that chord again. So that's how you get your cha cha. Okay, so when it's a little bit faster, it will sound something like this. Okay, now if you look at your music, if you count, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars of the cha cha left hand, and it's just using those same notes every time. And then in bar 6, you just have an cha. You don't have the cha on the end because it's a crotchet and then a minim or a blue to woo. So bar 6, so same fingers, same notes, but you're going to go cha, stop. Then bar 7, with your second finger, you go to C. And this C might very well be your lowest note on your harp. It's not for me, but there we go. And that one is going to last for 2 whole bars, okay? So you get 5 bars of cha cha, you get 1 bar of cha, and then you get your C, okay? So I'm just going to play that for you now. So this is the left hand, bars 1 to 8 of Circus Act. Okay, you might actually, although you can practice it like that, you might want to play it a little bit slower because the left hand is kind of the easy bit here and the right hand is going to be doing some complicated placing. So you might want to practice it a little bit slower, and then once you've got the right hand confident as well, then you can speed it up. Okay.